Have you ever wondered how technology could redefine the way we perceive the world? Welcome to the frontier of visual advancements, the realm of bionic eyes. This intriguing concept, straight out of a science fiction narrative, revolves around the restoration of vision to the visually impaired, a boon to those trapped in a world of darkness. Bionic eyes are not simply an idea, but a burgeoning reality that has the potential to change lives in ways previously unimaginable. Imagine witnessing the smile of a loved one, the colors of a sunset, or the words on a page after years of darkness. It's a revolution in medical science, a testament to human ingenuity, and a beacon of hope for millions. This technology is not just about restoring sight, it's about redefining our perception of reality, breaking down barriers, and expanding the frontiers of what's possible. As we delve into the timeline of bionic eyes, we'll explore how this seemingly sci-fi concept has evolved into a life-changing reality. Our journey begins in the 1960s, where the first seeds of this revolutionary technology were sown. Visionaries dared to dream of a world where technology could restore sight, a concept that seemed as fantastical as a science fiction novel. As we moved into the 70s, the first retinal implant was created, a significant milestone that marked the dawn of a new era in vision restoration. This device, although rudimentary, paved the way for future innovation. The 80s and 90s witnessed rapid advancements in bionic eye systems. Engineers and medical professionals collaborated, refining and perfecting the technology. They developed more sophisticated retinal implants, capable of converting light into electrical signals the brain could interpret. The turn of the millennium brought with it a wave of cutting-edge research and development. Today, these groundbreaking advancements continue to revolutionize the field of vision restoration, providing hope for countless individuals worldwide. The progress we've made so far is impressive, but the journey doesn't stop there. Let's continue to explore. Fast forward to the